Okay, so I've pretty much got it running. When I turn the cranks, I've not timed it up because I want to show you something. It runs, as you see, and I'm going in the correct direction here. So if you was to accidentally put this, let me just demonstrate, I thought this was quite funny for YouTube purposes. If you accidentally put the magnet ring the wrong way round, that's irrelevant, I'll put it down there. Then, see, I'm going the opposite way to pedalling and the bike's running. Yet I go the other way, the correct way, it doesn't run. So you've got to make sure that this is on the right way around. I mean, you can just use trial and error, it's not hard. Like so. Now it's the right way, as you can see. So make sure your magnet rings are the right way around. That's all for this video.